Hi, good morning children. This is your Lata ma'am. Welcome to our Nirbhaya Digital Learning class. Hello kids, how are you? Before going to the topic, I will say some warm-up exercise. Okay children? All of you sit straight. Close your eyes. Breathe in. Breathe out. 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 All of you rub your hands. Put on your eyes. And slowly open your eyes. Now, all of you sit straight. Clap your hands. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Stop. Yeah, children. Already I gave you. See, children. Chapter number 1, shapes. Already I gave you homework in workbook. Yes. Today I will write on the board that options. Whatever correct answers, that one I will write. You should check it in your workbook. Okay, children. Everyone, open your workbook. Page number 1. First question. This shape is a dash. Which shape is this? See, which shape is this? Which shape? Rectangle. Yes. Option A. First one is option A. Now, second one. This shape is a rectangle, triangle, square, circle. Which shape is this? Triangle. Option B. Third one. This shape is a dash. Rectangle, triangle, square, circle. Which option is correct? C. Square. Next. Multiple choice questions. A point is a dash. Dot, line, curved line, straight line. Which one is right? Correct answer, tell me. Dot. A is correct answer. Next, fifth one. A line has dash end point. 3, 1, 2, no end points. Line is a no end point. Yes or no? Line it's go like anything. Line is a no end point. D. Option D is correct. Sixth one. A ray is a part of a dash. A ray is a part of a dash. Curved line, line segment, straight line, point. Straight line. Option C. Understood, children? Next, turn the page. Page number 2. Fill in the blanks. Sleeping lines drawn from left to right or from right to left are called dash. Sleeping line. See, children? We will draw from left to right and right to left. Yes. What we call? Horizontal line. What we call? Horizontal line. In the dash you should write. What you want to write? Horizontal line you should write. Next, eighth one. A straight line or curved line is a dash figure. One dimensional figure. What is that? One dimensional figure. Straight line or curved line. Which type of figure? One dimensional figure. One dimensional. Understood, children? Next, ninth one. A dash has a starting point but no end point. See, starting point it has but no end point. What is this? This is called ray. Yes, already you know. Yes, children. Listen my lesson. Whatever I told you in the chapter, everything you learned. Yes. Is a line segment a part of a line? Yes or no? Yes. 10th one. Yes. 11th question. Which figure can be extended only one side? Which figure, tell me? Ray. Okay. Ray is extended only one side. Yes or no?
Yes.
Does a line have breadth? No. Does a line have breadth? No. Thirteenth one. How many types of straight lines are there? Name them. How many types of straight lines are there? Name them. Tell me, children. How many types of straight lines are there? Horizontal line, vertical line, slant line. Yes. Horizontal line, vertical line, slant line. Understood? 3 types. How many? 3. Straight lines are 3 types. How many types? 3 types. There are how many examples? Lines, vertical lines and slant lines. What are they? Straight lines are 3 types. There are horizontal lines, vertical lines and slant lines. Next, 14th one. What is the question? State whether the following figure are open or closed. That is closed figure or open figure. Option A. Option A. What is this figure, ma? Tell me. Closed figure. What is that? Closed. Closed figure. Yes. Option B. This is open figure. Open figure. Okay, children. 15th one. What is that? Applications. Very short answer question. How many equal sides does a square have? How many equal sides? See here. This is square. Yes. How many equal sides does it have? 4. What? See, 1, 2, 3, 4. Already you know. Yes. 4. 15th one. What is that? 4. 4 equal sides. 4 equal sides. Next, short answer questions. Identify the shape which has no sides and no corners. What is that? 16th one. No sides and no corners. Circle. Option A, circle. Understood? B. Option B. 3 sides and 3 corners. What are they? Tell me. 3 sides and 3 corners. See, what is this? What is this? Triangle. Yes. 3 corners, 3 sides. Yes. Triangle. Answer is triangle. Understood, children? 17th one. Observe the following shapes. Observe the following shapes and tick the types of lines used to form them. See 17th one. Observe the following. What is this shape, children? Tell me. A rectangle. Yes. Its straight lines have or curved lines? Straight lines. That one you should tick. Understood? Next. Observe this. This is circle. This is curved line and straight line. Curved line. That one you should tick. Understood? Next. 18th one. Short answer questions. Draw the base of each of the following object. Name the shapes formed. See here. This is, for example, what is the base of this shape? Tell me. See, base. What is this shape?
Square.
Square. Yes, this is square. Yeah. Now, observe this. What is this shape of this?
Rectangle.
Yeah, very good. You should draw the base. What is the base? Rectangle. And shape name you should write. Rectangle. Understood, children? First base. What is the base? Shape you should draw here and you should write their names. Understood? Next. This is, what is this?
Square.
No. What is this? Which shape is this?
Circle.
Circle shape. As base of this circle. Circle only, na? Circle. Base of this circle only. Yes.
Circle.
Now, see, observe the figure. Here, circle you should draw. Base of the figure, circle. And name of the figure, circle. Understood, children? Name of the shape, circle. Write that. See, children, this is your homework. Practice workbook page number 1 and 2 for ST. What you have to do, you should practice workbook page number 1 and 2 for ST. Practice well, children. If you practice properly, you will write ST neat and proper. Yes or no? Practice properly. You have ST tomorrow. Understood? Okay, bye, children. We will meet again in the next class. Take care.